Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can change the duration of images in Microsoft Clipchamp. To do that, first open your Clipchamp. Microsoft Clipchamp is a free editing software which you can download from Microsoft Store easily. Once opened, click on create a new video and here click on import media to import your file. After our file is imported, drag your image in your timeline. Here as you can see, our image is in our timeline and it's of 4 seconds. Now to change the duration of our image, go to the end of the image and drag this according to your liking. And here as you can see, the duration of our image is changing. You can also decrease the duration of your image by dragging it inwards. And this is the easiest and the only method through which you can change the duration of your images in Clipchamp. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and we will see you in our next video.